So, and this to come into this our खुद का business, जहाँ पे आपको एक छोटी पिन से लेके बड़े बड़े डिसीजन लेने पड़ते हैं लाइफ में, एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर वन डे, एवरी डे दिस बैटल रन्स. अभी ये हो गया, फिर वो हो गया, फिर वो हो गया, एंड एवरी सिंगल मोमेंट इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल कि क्या होने वाला है इन दिस बिजनेस. एवरीथिंग इज स्केड्यूल्ड बट स्टिल you never know what is popping up on each day. So ये थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है जहाँ पे आपको 24/7 आपको लाइफ देनी पड़ती है. वहां पे इजी क्या है, आपको एक सर्टन एरिया, सर्टन टाइम ऑफ पीरियड रहता है जहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ झेलना है. उसके बाद आप वो बिल्डिंग से बाहर आते हो और बोलते हो चिल चिल चिल.
Correct, correct.
And so I will not go because I am loving this battle now.
Great, great. And it's very good decision, I must say.
Yeah.
And secondly, just guide us in like what are the challenges you have faced in this industry, and what are the good things, what are the bad things, so that it will help our audience to.
तो चैलेंजेस तो सभी चीजों में रहते रहता कि जैसे आप अगर घर पे भी खाना बना रहे हो तो उसमें भी चैलेंज है आपके.
Challenges as in like a single mother, and also in this empire which you have built, how you are managing both the lives, both the roles, you can say.
Yeah, actually the thing is, when I knew in this business, I was knowing the work, but I am not done personally this business, you see. So it was a time that I was very new to it. I was knowing how to handle customer, but I was not knowing how to handle management of this. So that is a big task to how to manage everything. So day by day, it is after 11 years also it is a learning that how to manage, how to keep things in a proper manner. So these are things are very important. So वो होते होते करके गए. अभी when I asked one lady की एक हाउस वाइफ है, शी इज अ हाउस मेकर, तो हम तो हाउस मेकिंग से लेके हम बच्चे संभालने से लेके हम कस्टमर संभालते हैं. तो मुझे नहीं लगता हाउस मेकिंग एंड the woman cannot handle it alone, but still I have people like that wherein they can't just housewives also they can't handle it. That pressure they can't handle it, but we to just do it. I don't know, it's a God grace, it's a big क्या बोलते हैं, भगवान की देन है कि वो कोई शायद लेडीज में होती है जो मैं हूँ.
And claps for you.
Thank you so
And
much.
we do have Aishwarya here.
Yeah.
So I'm handovering this podcast to her now. So she also have few questions for Ranjana. So over to you, Aishwarya.
So basically, I'll ask this question to you as a Gen Z, of course.
Okay.
Because as an art invention, this is a big, what do you say? I think a big inspiration for us when we see such people. Me being a daughter, I do understand one thing, that it's really not easy for any mother to handle everything all of it. So when you have handled things, the way you have invested your talent, the way you have made so much efforts managing both your passion and your personal life all together, how, like, when you wake up in the morning, how you usually take that mindset, like how you make yourself so strong, or do you even though if you're just trying to get down, you humble yourself, you make a gratitude to yourself. So how you manage to ground yourself all of it from the lower part?
Such a big question. But it is like, I agree, being a woman, and being a single parent, being a entrepreneur, it's a very vast duty altogether.
Absolutely.
But I cannot describe everything because these are three layers, which are equally important in life, like motherhood, business, entrepreneur, and again you have to have that housemaking thing, right?
Yeah.
So I just want to say, whenever I wake up in the morning
Yeah.
doing nothing,
Okay.
thinking of nothing, then the only one thing is that I am the best.
That's
I am the best. I have everything, and be positive. That's it.
that's the mantra you follow.
Correct. And whoever the client, sometimes they don't appreciate your work. They don't appreciate your hard work. They just in single line they describe that नहीं ये ठीक नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ, but उसके पीछे की मेहनत कोई नहीं पाऊँ. So it is like that. Again, sometimes my daughter also, in a funny way, she says that, where were you? You were not there. When I was growing, you were not there. I was there, busy earning survival.
For our future.
For our future. For our future. That is why she's very understood, she's very beautiful, she's very independent.
I've seen her. She's very.
She's very nice. But sometimes होता है, but यही तो battle है ना life की. This is the only battle that we have to face, and ये future ही secure हुआ ना मेरा. मैं जितना भी अभी मैंने I've done the day by day living, being a mother, being an entrepreneur, being again a business owner and all that. So this is a battle, everyday battle that this is also the fact that people are not supportive. Some people are not supportive at all. They pulled my leg like anything. The ones the work was doing here, they have not given a chair to sit. I was standing all alone in the sun, that too on the road. 15 days. And they were just watching the ladies doing some work. They're very not acceptable. How can she? कैसे कर सकती?
That's the male ego we call it.
तो ये कैसे कर सकती है?
Right.
10 साल ने मुझे देख के भी उसने पता नहीं बातें अच्छी करते थे, सब कुछ पीठ पीछे अच्छा था, बट पीठ पीछे ये भी निकला कि ये औरत मुझे पसंद नहीं. क्यों पसंद नहीं है भाई? और क्यों तुझे मैं पसंद आनी चाहिए? I am no one to you.
Yeah.
You are not even as my friend. So people cannot see, Dhanashri, people cannot see women going ahead.
True.
Women alone, all alone, competing to the world. I was very young. I was also got attacked. People had attacked me in a not inappropriate way. They have touched me. They have thought about me that, oh, she's a single. Oh no, something must have happened.
Yeah.
She's a pros. Then this male ego comes and they stuck on the pros degree. Then they tell women, oh, she must be a pros. She must be a randi.
Yeah, that's what it happens with every single woman.
Yes. So we don't talk on this, we have to talk on this. So people attacked me on that. It was not a very good journey.
Like everyone attacked you, like a mentally, physically.
Women had behind me, taking me to the nasty places.
I get it.
So, but ठीक है ना, you have to have brave and you have to tell yourself every day, you are the best. You are the best. You are the best.
All women are.
Yes, all women are the best ones, and it's a very very tough battle to face. And you have to be ready. You have to be ready to hear that what you are, तू कौन है, तू क्या कर सकती है. अरे मैं तेरे लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकती भाई, तू निकल इधर से.
मैं जो भी करूंगी वो
मैं मेरे लिए करूंगी. मेरी लाइफ है, मेरे लिए करूंगी ना मैं भाई, तेरे लिए क्यों करूंगी? बराबर सही कहा. Whatever education I have got to build my life, not your life. Who are you to criticize me? Who are you to ask me? I am not answerable to you.
Correct.
So it's like
Okay.